Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Prices Home Life and More, where I share tablescapes, home decor, and cooking, DIY, seasonal decor, outdoor living, and so much more. Follow me on all of my socials, and let's enjoy the video together. Well, let's work together. So let's clean together on today. Yeah, I've had some busy days. So what does that mean? I have to clean and declutter at night. A girl has to do what a girl has to do. So if you're doing it along with me, well, let's get it all done before the cock crows. So it's pitch black outside. And what am I doing? Cleaning my house. Yeah, it's that serious. Cleaning is just that serious. Daytime cleaning, well, that's fun. But nighttime cleaning, it seems so much more therapeutic for me. The house is quieter. No one is calling my name. And when I say no one, I'm talking about mama. And no one is walking across my freshly swept, vacuumed, deep cleaned floor, or getting another cup or another bowl. Well, you know I'm talking about mama. But anyway, now that that's done, Christmas decorations can begin. You already know what to do. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel and your post notification bell is set to all. That's ALL, so you never miss a future upload. And everyone, I'm talking everyone, give this nighttime cleaning a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. Yeah, because comments and thumbs up help my channel to grow. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. See you tomorrow.